Hi, this is John Young with the Disc Jockey News. We are at NAMM 2013 and I am at Pro X Cases. If you've never heard of Pro X Cases, they've got a lot of really cool cases. We're going to look at a couple of them right here and kind of talk about some of the features of these Pro X cases. I'm going to start out right over here on our left. You take a look at this particular one. This is the kind of silver and black. So you got silver on black. It features the spacing for some of our very popular controllers. This particular one, of course, being a Numark unit. We've got, continuing on down, you see down here we have a black on black unit. Again, it's the size for one of the very popular units. In this case, we have another Numark. They have cases that'll handle your Denon, your Pioneer, your Numark, your American DJ, whatever you've got. They've got cases of different size. And again, they all, the ones that are controllers for laptop, they have this nice sliding platform ability with a little bit of a lip right here. If you can see that, that lip, of course, is going to keep your laptop from sliding off, but yet it's not so high that you're not going to be able to access the front of your laptop if you need to, you know, hit the space bar or what have you, or to click your mouse. You'll notice back here, I'm going to slide this forward just a bit. Holes, so your cords and such, your cables can go down and they can stay nice and neat. They can go on right down the hole instead of it hanging over the end of your the case, and then of course being a real mess. You can run those through the holes right down the back side of this case and drop them in here so you can have full control and full access and not have that ugly look. Let's take a look over here. We've got another case right here. I wanted to show you some of the foam that they have in this. If you're putting really expensive gear in here, you're putting your controllers or your decks or whatever you're putting in here, you can put it in here. They've got high density foam in here. They've got nice Velcro on the sides and you'll be able to control and keeping everything tight in there. And of course, if you're doing some CD work with some CD players, let's take a look at the top. That pops right out and it gives you this look. Right here we've got the Numark controller where you can actually insert the CD and you'll have full access. You can have access to the front, you can get into the back. We have our laptop stand right here that can be slid up, slid back, whatever you need to do. But we're going to slide back so we can see all the controls of our mixer. And again with the cutaways, just really designed to work with the gear that DJs use. So check it out. There'll be more information in the description below with our Pro X cases. They've got a whole line of cases for any kind of controller you need to use out in the field. This is John Young with the Disc Jockey News.